I did my project on the Big Four accounting firms. Good morning, everyone. Today we'll be learning about the Big Four accounting firms. But first, we have to learn what an accounting firm is. Public accounting firms are specialized service providers that employ certified public accountants. They typically specialize in supporting businesses or consumers by providing services such as audits, advisory, and tax. So who are these Big Four accounting firms, you may ask? They are PwC, Deloitte, Ernst & Young, and KPMG. The four largest and most prestigious accounting firms in the world are known as the Big Four. They include Deloitte, PwC, Ernst & Young, and KPMG. These firms are leaders in accounting and consulting industry. They provide a broad range of services, including audit, tax, consultation, advisory, corporate finance, and legal services. They are globally recognized and dominate the industry due to their reputation and size. The overall business structure of large accounting firms is a partnership. Many large accounting firms are structured as professional service networks. These accounting networks consist of independently managed firms that come together and share a common name and services. Member firms of the Big Four are located globally and must abide by the national laws of the country in which they are situated. PwC is headquartered in the United Kingdom. Deloitte is headquartered in the United States. Ernst & Young is headquartered in the United Kingdom, and KPMG is headquartered in the Netherlands. Auditing is the largest service provided by the Big Four accounting firms. Some of the biggest companies in the world are audited by one of these firms. Independent teams of accountants examine and evaluate the financial statements of large organizations. This ensures that their records are fair and accurate to the transactions they present. Auditors follow step-by-step procedures as they gather information and review the company's transactions. They also track revenues and expenses to evaluate the overall health of the business. In the end, an auditor drafts a report outlining their opinion on the company and its growth throughout the fiscal year. The Big Four audits almost all the Fortune 500 companies. For example, Walmart is Ernst & Young, Chevron is PwC, Apple, Ernst & Young, General Motors, Deloitte, and Microsoft, Deloitte. The Big Four also offers tax management services, where accountants help individuals or businesses file for tax returns. This sector also helps multinational businesses with tax issues. Experts with knowledge of global laws will help large clients structure their transactions in order to minimize taxes. Companies are offered consulting services when they need an expert opinion on a large business decision. Often, firms have individuals that specialize in specific industries to assist a business. Advisory services are provided by certified public accountants. Corporate finance. This is a department in the accounting firm that helps manage an organization's money. They analyze data to determine whether a company is growing or falling and work to increase the value through the short term and long term. This is usually done through financial investments. Now let's look at some of the individual firms. Deloitte is recognized as the current global leader in consulting services and auditing. History. The firm has been operating for over 100 years. William Welch Deloitte founded Deloitte in London in 1845. The company has undergone several mergers to form what it is today. Service and industry. Deloitte is currently the global leader in consulting and auditing. They also offer tax and financial advisory services. Currently, Deloitte assists 4 out of the 5 of the large Fortune 500 companies. Deloitte is located in over 150 countries and territories globally, with a total of 725 offices. For the fiscal year ended May 31, 2015, Deloitte's global revenues were US $35.2 billion. This is a 7.6% growth from 2014. Currently, there are 225,000 employees. KPMG. The firm was founded in 1987 and began as a merger of two companies. These were Peat Marwick International and Kleinveld Main Gordler. Similarly, KPMG offers a variety of services such as audit, tax, and advisory. KPMG operates in regions worldwide and has a total of 173,965 employees. For the fiscal year ended 2015, KPMG earned revenues totaling US $24.44 billion. This represents an 8.1% growth since 2014. Ernst & Young. This large international firm was formed when two firms, Ernst & Whinney and Arthur Young & Co., merged. Ernst & Young is the third largest accounting firm in the world. They specialize and receive most of their revenue from tax and audit, but also provide consultation and advisory services. Currently, there are 212,000 employees worldwide and over 700 offices in 150 countries and territories. Global earnings for the fiscal year ended June 30th, 2015 totaled to US $28.7 billion. They achieved an 11.6% increase in revenue from the previous year, demonstrating their positive growth rate. Fun fact about Ernst & Young is that they're actually the official accounting firm for the Miss Universe pageant and the Golden Globes. PwC. PwC is the second largest accounting firm to Deloitte. Samuel Lowell Price founded the company in 1849 in London. They have also merged with several other firms such as Hollyland & Waterhouse and Libran to establish themselves. PwC offers similar services to the other three firms. They work with some of the world's largest companies and most well-known businesses. PwC achieved a global revenue of US $35.4 billion in 2015. They have a total of 208,109 employees, and the firm is located in over 157 countries with 756 locations total.